Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
At least a handful of first responders recalling what they saw when they showed up to the Torre home in Jigo on July 2015.
He was calm, he had blood on his shirt.
Responding medic Lieutenant Gilbert Almario testified that he was checking if Torre had any injuries.
When you asked him, where did all the blood come from? Do you recall that now?
Yes.
And what were his words exactly?
He said he was trying to help a friend.
Almario was also heard in the police body cam footage first made public on Wednesday. The video starts by showing Torre holding Officer Piolo and Piolo saying, "I can't breathe." But it's that technique Torre used the prosecution contends did nothing to help save Piolo's life.
Is bear hugging a proper technique for applying pressure, let's say, to a puncture wound that's bleeding on the chest?
No, sir. We're trained to do that.
Torre's mother, Deanna, was also called up as a government witness. Deanna saying she awoke to her husband, Lieutenant Mark Torre's cell phone ringing before he rushed outside of the home. It was minutes later she said she became concerned and went outside as well.
I saw my son holding somebody, like right by the truck, which you all have seen in that small area.
Okay, so you saw Officer Piolo in this video being held up by your son,
yes.
Right?
She was checking on her son, still unaware that a shooting had just occurred.
I just saw Marky holding him, so I thought maybe he couldn't stand up, or he obviously appeared as if he was helping him.
GPD officer Mark Torre would later take the stand.
We got a call that one of ours was involved in a shooting.
Other GPD officers detailed their experience when they showed up to the bloody crime scene, like Officer Carl Cruz, who interviewed Torre Jr.'s wife, Julia.
You can see Officer Piolo, and she just mentioned she heard, "Help me," something to that effect.
From who?
From Bert.
And an emotional afternoon on the stand when CID Officer Ronel Rivera was asked how he knew both officers involved.
Do you know Officer Mark Torre?
Yes, sir.
How do you know Officer Mark Torre?
Rivera also recalled the horrific scene, pointing out the details in daytime photos showing the bloody trail around Piolo's truck that led towards the Torre home.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.